Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Nier Automata. Let's start with the core combat mechanics. You'll primarily use light and heavy attacks, which can be chained together for devastating combos. Remember to utilize your dodge mechanic. It's crucial for evading incoming damage and positioning yourself for counterattacks. Your trusty pod companion offers ranged fire and powerful special abilities, adding another layer to your offensive and defensive options. Experiment with 2 different weapon sets to find your preferred fighting style, and adapt to various enemy types. Next, let's dive into pod programs and plugin chips, which are essential for customizing your playstyle. Pod programs are active skills, like a powerful laser or a protective shield, that you can assign to your pod. Plugin chips are passive upgrades that grant stat boosts, such as increased attack power or defense and even auto-heal functions. You can equip up to 16 chips, but each has a memory cost, so choose wisely. Experiment with different combinations to create a build that suits your preferences and the challenges ahead. Nier Automata offers a rich world begging to be explored. Don't rush through the main story. Take your time to discover hidden areas and secret passages. Engaging in side quests is highly recommended, as they often reveal fascinating lore, provide valuable experience points, and reward you with unique items or currency. You'll find fast travel points, called access points, scattered across the map, allowing for quick navigation. Interacting with the various non-player characters can also offer insights into the world and its inhabitants. Finally, Nier Automata is renowned for its unique approach to storytelling and replayability. The game features 5 main story endings, labeled A through E, each offering a different perspective on the narrative. Beyond these, there are 21 additional joke endings, often triggered by seemingly trivial actions or failures. To truly understand the full scope of the story, you'll need to play through the game multiple times, often as different characters, revealing new plot points and character motivations. Aim to discover all 26 endings for the complete experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.